It has now been more than a year since a semiconductor manufacturing backed out of a deal to build a facility in Genesee County. The major announcement happened in July of last year. SanDisk was supposed to bring thousands of jobs and build on the 1,300 acres of land in Mundy Township. More than a year later, it sits empty.
Our mission remains the same. We are trying to attract an advanced manufacturer that will create thousands of jobs and pump millions of dollars into our local economy.
The marketing of this site continues, according to Tyler Ross-Messler, the executive director of the Flint and Genesee Economic Alliance. The alliance is tasked with overseeing the project.
We're assembling property. It means we're clearing property. It means we are doing the proper due diligence so that we fully understand the whole site and that anyone coming in has lower barriers and less risk for development here.
The property sits between Maple, Elms, Hill, and Linden roads. The state so far has contributed more than $250 million. Money was used to clear land that included homes and a church.
When you look at this site, we're in the kind of heart of our industrial core of the county. Right on the site to the north is a rail line with two intersecting freeways, I-69 and I-75. The infrastructure that we have in this area, from roads to electric and gas, water, sewer, all make this a great site.
Ross-Messler says that they've been working on this project for a couple of years. We first reported on it in 2023. The site has been controversial in the community. Signs once lined the road saying no to a mega site. Why do you think that it's taken so long to find a company?
Yeah, appreciate the question. This is not an easy task, and it's not like anything we've ever done. We are trying to attract a user that's going to create thousands of jobs and invest billions of dollars, and that takes time. Companies have to do their due diligence. They're looking at sites all over the world, and we are doing our best to get this site as ready and marketing it to the companies that are able to make that type of investment.
Last year, SanDisk indicated when they backed out of the deal, it was because of economic uncertainty in the United States. Ross-Messler says that they continue to work to get a company to come here to Genesee County. However, he did say there is one sector of business they will not entertain.
This is not going to be a data center. This is the advanced manufacturing district looking for an advanced manufacturer. So we've had data centers call us and we say no thank you.
Why no thank you to data centers?
They don't create jobs.
And it's just as simple as
and
that.
This site is for job creation. And like I've said, the community is very excited about the opportunity that this site presents. Thousands of jobs, millions of dollars into our local economy, and leaning into the history that Genesee County has of making things and creating great products.
The Flint and Genesee Economic Alliance, they say that they remain confident they will find a company to build a facility and bring jobs. According to the ownership update, the alliance is continuing this month to talk to property owners about selling their homes and also close on some other properties within the area.